Welcome to the very first song of the lesson book C. Here we start with a song called Con Brio, written by Mr. Haydn. If you remember anything about him, he is the teacher of both Beethoven and Mozart. He actually played for Prince Esterhazy for over 30 years, and he lived in a castle similar to the one you see in the picture right there. Let's start here with finger number 3, right hand on G, finger left hand, 3 on G as well. Moving the thumb to the middle C. Rest. And don't forget to do the repeat back to the beginning. Let's do a close-up here so you can see my fingers much better. Con brio means with spirit. Play it lively and excitingly. So we're going to start here. 3 on right hand G, 3 left hand on G. Loud